Hi.
I called in. I got my ex-wife here.
Okay.
She's texting me that I can't pick my kid up.
You guys have like.
He said.
Hold on. Do you guys have paperwork, like court orders and all that stuff?
I have it right here. I brought it with pictures saying this is my divorce decree.
Well, that's not. I can't do anything about that. Just find me where. Okay, perfect. Get it ready. Hers or jointly with custody.
And it's my weekend. I just couldn't pick them up on Friday, so I'm just picking them up today and bringing them back at 5 on Sunday.
Okay, so it's your weekend with them?
Yeah.
And you're coming to pick them up?
Yes. And she's texting me saying I'm unstable and on drugs, and I actually have from Minnesota monitoring because of all the rumors. I've gotten drug tests. I have a recent one if that matters, but I just have court-ordered visitation.
Okay.
But here is her text for me before I come here. That's from a different day.
Yeah, I see this.
This is from today, or I texted her yesterday. And that bottom one is the most recent.
Okay. Well, so here's the deal.
Yeah.
As far as law enforcement, with custody exchange type of stuff, we're not in the business of enforcing it. Like, I'm not going to go forcefully take. Is it Liam?
I know that, but I need it documented.
Correct.
Take her to court. I understand.
Correct. Yep. Okay. So you're well aware of that.
Yeah,
that's usually the first hurdle.
I'm not
Take it over.
to leave with her if she doesn't agree.
Right.
But
Okay.
I'll be able to go for.
Yep.
Not following a court order.
Correct.
Take her to court.
Correct. Yep. Okay. So.
And I can get probably a record of this too. I'm sure.
So I'll give you a case number.
Okay.
I don't have a business card on me at the moment. Sorry, I have to write it down.
That's fine. 178. I'll just remember.
Okay.
And I talked to him. He sounded like he wanted to come over. And they go, we're going to see if he wants to go. And they're going, he doesn't want to come with me. So I'm pretty sure they're pressuring him to say he doesn't want to.
And it's just the one kid?
Yeah, and she's saying she wants supervised. I can only get supervised visitation, which we have no court order for that.
Okay.
She's making up her own rules.
Did you drive here?
I took a lift here.
Oh, you took a lift here. Okay. So, and then you just have the one kid in common?
Yes, well, my oldest one is also in the yard there. He just turned 18.
Okay, so he can do what he... Gotcha. So it's the kid in the red?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you just sit back down where you were, I'll talk to Mom, and then I'll probably just tell you where you're going to have to get a lift or whatever again. Okay. Yep.